Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize data science projects with Kaggle easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a Kaggle account if you haven't already. Once logged in, explore the Kaggle homepage for various datasets and competitions. Choose a dataset that fits your project goals and interests. Download the dataset or use Kaggle's built-in tools to access it directly in a notebook. Next, familiarize yourself with the dataset by examining its features and structure. Perform initial data exploration using descriptive statistics to understand the data better. Handle missing values by deciding whether to fill them in or remove them. Ensure data quality by checking for duplicates and outliers. Now, visualize the data using libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn to identify patterns. Feature engineering is crucial. Create new features that can improve model performance. Split your dataset into training and validation sets to evaluate model accuracy. Choose an appropriate machine learning algorithm based on your data type and problem. Train your model using the training set while monitoring its performance. Evaluate the model on the validation set to identify areas for improvement. Use hyperparameter tuning techniques to optimize model performance further. Utilize Kaggle kernels to collaborate with other data scientists and share insights. Document your findings and code clearly for future reference. Once satisfied with your model, submit your results to relevant Kaggle competitions. Engage with the Kaggle community to learn from others and get feedback on your project. Continuously iterate on your work based on feedback and performance metrics. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your data science projects using Kaggle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.